Stateroom 7180. Extended balcony.
That's fine. Thank you so much.
Welcome to our home away from home for the next 7 days.
That's right. First, when you come in, there's some closets right here on the right. Plenty of hangers. There's another one right over here on the left where you're safe. Your life vest. Plenty of shelves down here below. Another one over here on the right with plenty of hangers. Storage up top. On your left as you come in the door, here's the bathroom. Pretty standard Costa Carnival bathroom. Got some snack shelves over here. Over here. The old curtain. There's your products right there. Come back out here in the room. Over here to the right, you got the mirror where you can see my ugly mug. I like the flip-flops up top. That's a nice touch. There's your telephone. Got some drawers. Of course, there's the hair dryer. I believe over here on the left. Yep. Here is the little fridge. You can tell we've already been partaking in some adult beverages. I love the art. Over here on the left, there's a nice little couch. Some nice art on the wall of a compass. Over here, on the one side of the bed, we got some USB. And it looks like a USB-C over there as well. Nice big TV. We gotta watch the safety drill. Oh, I love the ice bucket, Margaritaville themed. Got some more storage down here. Nice comfy bed. Love the living on Islander time. Nice picture above the bed. Another lamp on this side with USB and USB-C. And then of course the balcony. The best part. Oh, we are locked out. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Oh, it's the top lock key. There we go. It is an extended balcony, so it looks like, you know, I can go 1, 2, 3 full steps to the side. Got 2 chairs and a table. We're out here at the Port of Tampa. It's not the most scenic port, but once we get sailing out through the bay and we go into the Skyway Bridge, and everything will get a little bit more scenic. So there we are, Stateroom 7180. So